Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sugandh Khanna, AWS Solution Architect Associate Certified and Aqua Certified Drupal 8. So this is the last step of CI/CD pipeline, step 15, where we will send data from our dev server directly to the web server. So what we basically do is we will just commit our file, we will change our file and then commit our file in git push, and when we just do the git push, it will the build will automatically get triggered and the data will get updated on the web server, or you can say the updated file will get deployed on the web server. Let's see how we will do it. So right now you can see the text in the index.html is this. Let's connect with my developer. Here I am. I'm copying the public IP. I'm ping SSH into my developer server. Okay, fine. So now I'm cloning my git repo over here. So where is my git repo? Here I am, and clicking on the code, copy this URL, and on the server here, am I on the right server? Yes. Okay, git clone. Let me first clear it. Now git clone. If you do ls here, you will check the repo got created over here. Let's go inside this directory. Here I'm having my index.html file. Let's change this index.html file to something else. Just saving it. Okay, the file got saved. You can check it over here. This is the file I'm having right now. Now let's check with the git status. So this is the modified file. I'm adding it. This is the commit which I have done. Now I'll push this to master. So right now you can see in the Jenkins, sorry, this is my server. Here is the Jenkins. I am at my build 12. As soon as I'll push this build number will get increased to 13. So let's see. So somehow my authentication is getting failed again and again, and my credentials are not working with this. Might be the reason behind this is I'm having my two multi-factor authentication enabled. So for this, a token will get generated and then I have to give the token for that. But for the safer side right now, let me show you how it works. So right now I'm having on the build 12, and when I will do commit over here, I'm in this file, edit, okay. So as soon as I click the commit button, this will get updated to 13. Okay, let's check. Commit. And here you can see the build got started. Now refresh the web server. Let's check. Okay, so here it got updated now. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. This was the last session of CI/CD pipeline. Hope you have enjoyed this all. If you have liked this, then please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and have a great day.